application here called AI Dress Up. As the name suggests, it pretty much dresses you in pretty much any one of these clothing here. So how you use the application? Here you can either select any one of these outfits here. As you can see here, the male outfits or female outfits, which you can choose from. And all you have to do is just tap on the outfit that you want to try on. Let's say, for example, that one, and it will pretty much show you how you should upload a picture of yourself to get the best results. So either you're going to take a picture right away by tapping on the camera option here, or you're going to upload a picture from your gallery, or you have already taken a picture, you can just upload it from your gallery. So once you have uploaded a photo, you'll be able to pretty much try on any one of these outfits. And as well, you can tap on generate outfit to generate a lot of different outfits which you can try on as well. So you have the new outfit section here, which you can see a lot of different outfits which you can try on. You have the your style section. You can create your own style as well. You can take a picture of your own style as well. You can create examples of your own style as well. But the popular section is pretty much where you find all your dresses or all your manly clothes or whatever the case is. And as well, if you do want to get access to the pro dresses or pro subscription or the subscription outfits, you'll have to pretty much get your subscription. So you have the all section, as you can see down here. You can select the matte option here if you want the matte outfit section. As you can see here, you have the woman outfit section. And yeah, that's how you pretty much use the application. So you may need to tap on the back button on your device to go back. And here be able to go to the pro option at the top here to get the pro subscription. So you can see you're currently on a free version as well. If you do get your pro subscription, which is, let's say $6 a month, you'll be able to get more outfits and pretty much 400 AI generation feature per month. So I'm not sure what's the limit if you're on a free version. So keep that in mind as well. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Very easy to use, very straightforward. And if you still don't understand or don't understand something, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.